This is what might happen to you if you have your home's foundation repaired. I'm Scott Neal. I'm the broker of Scott Neal Real Estate. I'm at my home in Richardson, Texas, and my wife and I, we just remodeled this home earlier this year. This is 2021. Moved in right around April. Spent a bunch of money, but we love the house. It's what we wanted. We got to do so many cool things, and even still after buying the home and spending all of that money, you know, we still owe less probably than what we could sell it for today, which is great. So we've got equity in the property. One thing I knew was wrong with the property, but thought I was going to be able to get away with, was I knew that the foundation was not completely level. And it wasn't so far off that it was very noticeable. And so we decided not to go ahead and fix the foundation. And we basically took a gamble to see if it was going to continue to shift, because if it did, then, you know, we knew we were going to have to kind of come back and repair that. And so guess what? That's happened. And what I want to do though is I want to just show you what happened and show you what might happen if you have to get foundation repaired at your property after you've made renovations, or you know, just to show you kind of some things that can happen if you have to get your foundation repaired at your home. So what I've done is I've had to go around my house and put blue tape everywhere. I don't know if you can see all this blue tape all over the wall, but I went and I have my handyman, my painter, coming over tomorrow to give me a quote for repairing all of this stuff. But you can see, you know, I've got big crack right here in our ceiling. Some more crack right there in the drywall ceiling. Now these weren't here. So we had the foundation repaired. This isn't because technically I guess it's because the foundation moved, but we moved it back. So we remodeled the house with a faulty foundation. But you can just kind of see all the cracks that have happened in the home just this week since we leveled the foundation. Now we got the readings back and everything's okay with the leveling. I mean, it's perfectly level now, but we had some problems that we're just gonna have to fix. And I got them in almost every room on the exterior of the home, including my master bedroom, which is the worst part of it all. So got some stuff up there, some stuff right there, and then this whole door right here went totally out of square. So like I can't even latch it, you know, it went about probably half an inch or so out of square. And so that is kind of terrible. So unfortunately, now what I'm gonna have to do is, not only am I having to make the repair for the foundation, but I'm also gonna have to shell out some extra money to come back and repair all of that drywall texturing and painting. And that master bedroom door, I'm probably gonna have them pull the whole door out and re-center it. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to talk to them in the morning. They're coming to give me a bid, but this is what could happen whenever you have your foundation repaired. Of course, I've got a great foundation guy that I can refer you to. So if you need somebody, just let me know. Give our office a call at 469-998-3322.